Good morning, class. Today we'll discuss about the chapter The Ghost. Today we'll discuss about the chapter The Ghost. The chapter Ghost, it's a poem which is written by K.N. Daruwala. He's actually known as the Indian poet, isn't? He's an Indian writer and also a great short story writer. And also a great short story writer. Here we'll come to know about something ghost. The word ghost is very familiar with us. Generally in folk tales or in our cultural, if you see in our culture also that word ghost used to that. Like we are saying ghosts are actually there. We used to believe on that ghosts are there. But the thing is that these spiritual things actually we are believing. Okay, if you are describing in different way that how ghosts are appearing, how ghosts are coming and all, these all things we know. Related with that, poet here has given some little bit idea about the ghost, that how it looks for him, how it can be descriptible and all. Like he started with that, he has just said the difference between us people and with the ghost. He said that the good thing about good people is that they are transparent. Why he has said transparent? What does it mean transparent? Transparent means what we can see very clearly, on which the light can pass very clearly, isn't that known as transparent? Why he used this transparent for the good people? Because good people can transparent, because if they are good there is nothing to describe about them, everything is good for them. He said about that everything is good for them. And similarly in the next lines he said the bad thing about ghost is they are transparent. And even he said that for bad thing about the ghost they are also transparent. So what is the difference between the good people and the ghost? He just started with a very funny thing that good people they are also transparent and ghost they are also transparent. Just relate this, the ghost that also transparent and people, especially the good people, both he described here as transparent. There is a meaning behind it. So ghost, that is our imagination, that we are telling it actually presents, but generally we don't know really they present or not. Similarly good people, we know they are good. Why? Because everything about them is very visible or very clear to us. Good people never hide anything, is it? They discuss everything about them, about the situation. Then he said, in fact, the way you see through them, you don't see them at all. He said that the way we are seeing of them means here the ghost. Here, see them means them, the ghost. The way we are looking at them, actually we are not exactly seeing them. And when you can see a ghost, it isn't quite a ball. Means it's actually, if we are seeing the ghost, it's not actually we are seeing. And when you can see a ghost, it isn't quite a ball. In fact, you are up against a transparent paper wall. Then you can find out that there is nothing except a wall, which is very transparent. A few things it were best to know about ghost. Few thing about the ghost he said it's good. What are those? They are bad host, for they are never in station, nor invitation. And worse ghost, they barge in invitation and no invitation. It's little bit difficult to understand here why he said like that. See, once he said that they never can be found in the stations. He said that, and worst guess, those who are worst, what? They barge in invitation and no invitation. They are coming. Barge means to enter. Enter somewhere with the invitation or without the invitation. Okay. Ghosts are not bad omens. Omens means the thing which will happen in the future. So ghosts are not that they will come like that. Future realistic and all. They don't bring doom. They don't come in through chimneys. They don't ride a broom. But ghost stories can be true. I could tell you a few. So he just want to say something about the ghost, a story related with that. Later the stanzas when we'll discuss, we'll just come to know. Old hotels where stairs crack and where door hinges quake are full of stories that eerily speak of ghosts and churels. Churels, the word is very familiar. We heard this word. Okay, the poet has used, as I said, he is an Indian writer, so that Indianism will be here. So the churels, it's not exactly an English word, but he has used. See, in different font it has written. So he said that eerily speak means, eerily means something which we are feeling very eerie feeling, we are saying that means we are not feeling well to get this all. So it's like that. So the poem is like that. Again he said, I have heard it tell a lady ghost bathing in a Masuri hotel. So Masuri, north, we know it's a very well known place, visiting place. So that place, he said that I have heard to tell. It was just a story. He said he heard that a lady ghost tried to bath in the hotel. Every night you heard water running and the clink of bangles on her unseen hand. So no one can see it, but the music, the sound of of her bangles can be heard. But going to the bathroom, you would see the floor quite dry and silence draped on the towel stand. Nothing is there inside the bathroom. If you see, you cannot see anything, but outside you can hear the voice, running water sound, and the clink of the bangles you can hear. But while you will enter into the bathroom, you will see that everything is dry there, even the towel stand also, and no one is there. Once a forest guard saw 1/5 of his face, the ghost face. So he said that once he has just seen, by the picture you can see, he only saw eyebrows and gold. He said what, he has a small pointed beard on the end of one's chins. Here only one point beard that he has seen, and nothing else. Only the eyebrows he saw. Another saw no legs but sailing by. He saw a dhoti, and in a village birds would suddenly stop their morning bikar, morning when they used to make noise, and their morning twitter. They had sensed a ghost there rummaging in the litter, but let's end these stories, for ghost give me the jitters. Ghost always gives us a worried feeling, isn't? We are very afraid by the word ghost. So here the poet has given one example, a Masuri hotel. The local people used to say that one ghost, lady ghost, used to take bath in the washroom, but while you will enter in the washroom, you will not get anything there. Even they say that some of them have seen in different way. One has seen only the eyebrows and the beard. Another said that I have seen only the legs. He is selling there. One has said that he has seen that with the dhoti and all, and when he has seen that time, birds who used to twitter in the morning used to stop because of the presence of the ghost. So one story related with that he said here. It's just a simple story. Your work, just read up the read up the poem properly and get to know that how he has described the ghost here. Very simple questions can be framed here. Okay, and the meanings are also very easy to understand, so just focus on that and read the poem very nicely clear, so that you can understand. And text, go with the text properly always, I'm telling, so that question answers will be easy for you to do. Okay, so just do that one. Till then, thank you class.